Compatible with pneumatic door closer hardware and kits. Ideal replacement bracket for commonly used side mount door closer hardware. This Jamb bracket has a 2-7/8 in reach. Constructed of stamped steel, finished with zinc plating. Strong, durable design mounts with 4 fasteners onto the inner part of the door jamb, on the same side of the door hinges. Easy to install in less than 30 minutes with a few simple tools. Stamped steel construction. This Jamb bracket is constructed from stamped steel. It features a side mount design and includes necessary fasteners. This style bracket is designed for use with pneumatic door closers. Top reviews from the United States. Great replacement. Bought this to replace a broken bracket from my Andersen screen door. Looks much sturdier than the original, install was easy and quick, and you can't beat the price. I've only had it in for a week or so if anything changes I'll update.